Hello, and today we are reading with AJ. Well, the last two fights were on today's fight show. Today is today's reading show. We have the Lucky Red Dragon Computer Workshop just for today. I was meant to say comic. Harold over here is not going to read it as he's feeling sick from his last co-producing and he can no longer function properly. We'll fix that later. Well, now I've got to hold the mic so awkwardly. Not mic, shit. My bad. Sorry. My phone so weirdly that I need to use two hands for this, not one. God damn it. Oh yeah, don't picture my gross foot. Oh well, here. Lucky Dragon Computer Workshop. Can't even get the entire thing on frame. Might as well just hold it with one hand instead of having the lazy ass holder. It's necessary to have the effective tools to to do the work correctly. You need a remarkable graphics card if you want to win the game. I bought a 1060. That's like a really cheap graphics card. How do I install the card? But I'm cringy. Like, look, he's holding a 1080 Ti, but he doesn't know how to install it. Oh no, who knows? That could be a DVD. And he is holding his old 970 Ti. That didn't even exist. Let me teach you how to install it, Mr. Red Dragon. That's not the mouse brand. That's actually from MSI, as you can tell from that thing. Driver CD, graphics card, respective. You can find these things and MSI stickers in the box. MSI stickers. Watch carefully. Well, you can rewatch this video as many times as you like. You need PCIe Express. PCIe Express. PCIe Express. You need a monitor. You need Windows 7 or later. Or after, I don't know. To install the graphics card, you install it, you dumbass. You also need auxiliary tools to install the graphics card. A Phillips head screwdriver, they don't even tell you what size because they're lazy asses. Rubber gloves. Oh boy, what are you gonna do with these rubber gloves? Turn off the power and unplug the PC before installing the graphics card. Now you want to electrocute yourself, boy. It won't be classed as suicide. Remove the screws from the PC's outer edges that remove the side panel, unless if you're me and using the open frame case. Picture all the possibilities, Red Dragon. If you're exchanging the card, make sure to unplug the power connector from the old graphics card. Oh, I'm sorry. My 950 Ti wasn't working properly. Actually, a little bit of trivia. Huh. The GTX 750 Ti was based on the 900 series architecture instead of the 700 series. Well, you're one fact smarter. Remove the expansion brackets on the back of your case. Ta-da, here comes the king. It's a better graphics card than this crummy old thing because it's red. Basic boy color. Remember to press on the IO side first, then firmly press on the other side to complete installation. 1, 2. 1, 2. When you hear the click sound, you're doing it alright. The card has been successfully installed. Click. The graphics card is actually quite heavy. if you couldn't tell by lifting up the damn thing and putting it into the computer. Please remember to screw it and secure it into place. Or you can, just pay someone else to do it, like $15 for a relative to do it. Plus, the cut should come with insurance, so you're fine. Don't forget to plug in the PCIe PSU cables. This is for dummies that would have no idea what this is. It means plug in the power. You could have said that. Red Dragon, that's not actually a red dragon, it's actually from MSI. Some graphics cards don't require a PCIe 6-pin or 8-pin power cable. Well, guess what? They could have made it custom to the GTX 1050 and 1050 Ti and 1053 gig, which will be coming out shortly. And just have that pamphlet in those. And then just be like, oh, 6-pin for GTX 1060 or 7-pin for GTX 1070 or the 1080 uses the exact same number of pins. Damn. So you can cover the side panel when you finished all the steps. You know how short this dude is or how big that PC is. So please pay attention to each specific plug. Connect the video cable to the graphics card, and here comes the brand new world. Download and use the NVIDIA GeForce to automatically update your drivers. My head is itchy, so I'm gonna scratch it. Wait, but hold on. What is this? Why is his monitor so small? I mean, if that was mini ITX, and he's really just like 2 foot tall, that's like his face. And if we get a full body shot of him, his face makes up 1/3 of his height. Conspiracy theory confirmed. 666 Illuminati. Rival 300. And as always, don't do drugs, crack his wax, stay in school, and don't die on your job tomorrow.